evening, good afternoon. Here in Kenya we are in the afternoon. I'm going for shopping at the road. Doing my afternoon walk as I head to the road, to the stage where you can get the means of transport to take me where I'm going to do my shopping. Kindly be with me, stay with me as I go to show you where I'm going for my shopping this afternoon. I'm walking towards the stage. Kindly stay with me, hang around with me, let me know what you think. If you are new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, leave a comment, watch the video to the full, give it a like, leave a comment. If you have subscribed, hit the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified so that you can know every development I make on the new videos. You'll be able to be notified. Watch the video, give it a like, leave a sweet comment. Let me know what you think about this channel. It's a young channel, it's a new channel. Kindly support my channel. Let me know which kind of videos you'd like me to record. I'll be happy to know that. What you'd like to know, let me know. I'll be happy. On that comment section, let me know your views. Let me know where you're watching from and what time it is in your country. Right now in Kenya, it's almost 3 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon, 30th of April. Today, as a nation, we are having a heavy time because it is the send-off of our former president, the third president of this nation. President Mwai Kibaki is being laid to rest today. And actually, as a nation, we have lost a great figure, a father, a leader who has taken this nation from where it was before he took over to this place, to where he left us. Actually, he did work a lot. Watch the video, like, share, and subscribe. I'm now on the road. I'm going to see which means I'm going to use to go for the shopping. Let's go together. I'm on the road at the moment. It's so noisy. I'm looking for the means of transport which I can use to take me. I'm on the road, you can see. This is close. It's so busy. Wait. unaenda kwa soko?
Market.
Unafika market?
Unakwenda market?
Unafika huko? Nachukua video. Nachukuanga video naweka kwa YouTube. My YouTube channel. Nawekea kila mtu anaweza ona.
Jamani, kwani mwenye sisi ndio ndio